Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, this one actually. Yes. See? All right. So I got this RTV on there about a foot thick, and oh god, doesn't matter. Keep my hands as clean as freaking possible. I still end up getting that shit on my fingers. Where's my rubber? Okay, good. Okay. All right. Yeah, the RTV's starting to squeeze out, so that's good. Oh, that's gross. So, I got my new distributor. Very excited about this distributor. It's a good quality distributor. It also came with as a set with some new plug wires, some good quality plug wires from China. Well, actually, I don't know if they're from China. They're made by Micro, whatever the hell that is. So I might drop this thing down in there. That thing went. So how am I supposed to know which way the thing is? So, we're looking at this. I mean, just eyeball-wise, it's perfect. This one sat down further. Okay, that's... unboxing here of a distributor from Amazon for a 302. What the hell is this? Oh, plug wires, cool. Okay. Now, alright, so what the hell is that thing? Taking a little break from work. Do this. So take that off of there. And this is sitting on there crooked, so take that off. Set this thing in here. Right now I'm not so much worried about that, I just want to make sure it fits down in here. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely not going to be that way. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's sat down just like the other one did, but okay, it's got the clearance. Let me show you here. Okay, so there's the same problem. And if you can see down in there, there's the O-ring and it just needs to sit. I do feel like this one's a little bit closer than the other one. This is a smaller distributor though. I don't know what all this is. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, this one actually. Yes. See? That's how it should be. So, and then to pull it out, it's just like that. No. No, this one doesn't want to sit down. It gets very close, but nope, that one just doesn't want to go. This one, let's just double check. It's pointed this way. See, that one just sits right down in there. So we'll get some lube on that, and that'll be the one I install. But then this one, oh, even though I like it, looks and stuff wise, I'm gonna send it back. Okay, so with that problem solved, I can then move on to installing it for real, and then installing the carburetor, and then hooking up the carburetor to the fuel, and then replacing the fuel tank. So That might be on today's? No. I'll get this on today's, but the installation of the carburetor is going to be tomorrow. And then the gas tank will be the next day.